Hello and welcome to Business Reporter's The Future is 5G campaign, hosted by The Telegraph Online. I'm Alistair Greener. Productivity. It's been the bugbear for many governments and the challenge for most manufacturers. Experts try to analyse what makes it so hard for most UK organisations to harvest more value from their technologies and people. The Internet of Things, the network and data exchange of machines on plants offer the opportunity to work smarter. Manufacturers can lever the data into actionable knowledge. Actionable knowledge becomes optimisation, preventative maintenance and accurate statistics for product development. All of this is only a promise until the speed and reliability of data exchange reaches the desired level. How has 5G turned this promise of the future into a reality today? This is what we're going to discuss today with Maria Lemmer from King's College. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, what is the problem with our productivity and efficiency today?
Well, the UK and Europe is not competitive. And the main reason is that we are not using all the information that we have all around our manufacturing and factories. We need to base manufacturing in information technology so that we can improve how we use the information in logistics, manage better the processes, and make a more intelligent network out of our factories. So basically build the factory of the future.
So given that particular environment, what are the applications being considered by the community?
In general, we can talk about time-constrained applications, basically where we want to react very fast when a problem comes into place, right? So basically, we want to solve problems in a very efficient manner. So for instance, you can have a piece of machinery of the factory that it's broken. Most of the times, you will have to call someone, come and fix it. What if we could change that completely and you can remotely assist someone that it's in place and bring the skills through the internet to where the problem is being happening. That's what we call the Internet of Skills. So basically, we are able to digitize the skills that you have, and you're able to transmit that through the internet and have a robot that can reproduce that movement for you. On the other hand, we also have applications that are not time constrained. Let's say that the latency is not that important, but yet are very important for the manufacturing industry, such as localization of assets, the support of having multiple sensors and different technologies all together that allow us to have a lot of information. Information is money right now, right, in this era that we are living. So if we are able to gather information, to intelligently combine this information, we can find assets quickly, we can have more intelligent processes, we can manage logistics better. All of these things can be applications that we can put into the factory of the future.
You've talked there about Internet of Skills. Give me a bit more detail of what that actually means.
The Internet of Skills is a concept we have been working around at King's College for a while now, and it's basically that you can transfer your knowledge through the internet, but it's not only the knowledge that you can type or that you can tell verbally, it's something that you can manipulate, right? So part of your skills comes through the sense of touch. So what if we can control a robot on the other side of the world, and I can carry out my day-to-day activities as an engineer, as a doctor, or as any other type of profession that requires this type of skill set delivery.
And what is it about 5G that's going to enable all this to happen so we get this factory of the future?
So 5G, it's an enabler for many reasons. First of all, it allows us to have this low latency concept. When we need to have instant action reaction down to the millisecond, then 5G is key. And to have a very stringent quality of service delivery that we are able to ensure that it's going to be there during your entire service provisioning time. That is very important. And that's what 5G is trying to target right now from the research part. Another important thing is that in factories, sometimes conditions can be very difficult for connectivity. So 5G needs to be an umbrella where we bring in all the different technologies, fixed connectivity, different technologies for sensors, communications, mobile connectivity. All of that needs to be completely seamless for the network in the factory.
And what type of industries do you see benefiting particularly from this?
It's any type of manufacturing business and retail business as well, logistics in general, anything that has a value chain where you go from factory production and then delivery, because you can manage all the data through the value chain better using this type of technology.
With the advancement of 5G, what's the impact on the telecommunications ecosystem going to be?
There are going to be new players that come into play for data storage, cloud storage, data management. The advantage that these new players have is that they have very flexible business models, so they can adapt very well to this new era where data and information is so important. Then we have all this tactile industry coming into place, the haptics, the robotics. What 5G is doing and all these applications that are coming is that it's bringing in together different types of streams that they were not supposed to be part of the telecom industry on the very first place. So now the telecom industry is not a mere connectivity provider anymore. It's a solutions provider, which will basically change the entire ecosystem.
Well, we know that 5G is coming, and it's fascinating to see the applications of 5G within manufacturing. Maria Limmer from King's College, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.